Hey, good morning, everybody. We've got a 347 small block Ford on the dial today. We do a lot of these engines. They're available in different horsepower combinations, as well as a multitude of different combinations: valve covers, oil pans, pulley systems, carbureted, fuel injected, you name it. But every one of our engines is custom built, and every one of them is really a fantastic built and running engine. Nothing but quality parts in all our engines. Some of them are built with Ford blocks, late model blocks, one-piece rear main seals. The higher horsepower ones are built with brand new dart blocks. But whatever you choose, you can believe that you're going to get the best built engine that you could possibly find anywhere on Earth anyway. Don't know about Mars or some of the other planets, but on Earth for sure. Like I said, you can custom tailor this engine for your needs. Give us a call. We'll custom design something around whatever your thoughts and dreams are, and believe me, it'll run fantastic and it'll look fantastic. Check us out, customcraneengines.com by Proformance Unlimited, or if you want to talk to somebody directly, give us a call. Steve will be glad to talk to you. 800-267-3940. Everybody have a good day out there, and happy holidays to everybody.